This is my drawing of a chicken zombie, and today I'm going to teach you each and every step on how you can draw this yourself. So grab your pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of our page, we want to draw a large cube for the chicken's head. Let's start right in the middle. We'll draw a straight line coming down. This is the front edge of the cube. Let's go back up to the top. We want to draw that same length line going up in an angle towards the left. So across the top. Let's go down to the bottom, draw that same length line going up in that same angle. I'm just going to line this up on the left side. And we'll close this off with a straight line coming down. Let's add some perspective to the side. We're going to start from this point, angle this up and then back towards the right. Come down towards the bottom. These lines are going to be a little bit shorter than the ones that we have on the left. And then connect the ends with a straight line coming down. Now we're going to go back and draw that beak. Let's start right in the center. We're going to draw a straight angled line from left to right, coming down and across. Let's come down the side with a short line. Now we're going to follow that angle coming in toward the middle. And we'll add that small piece coming down the center with two lines. And we'll flatten that off. Let's add some perspective to the beak. We're going to take these 3 points, draw a short angled line going up and then back. And then we'll connect the ends with a straight line. Now I'm going to add some perspective to this bottom point. Draw that same length line going back and then up. Let's go out to the side and draw on the eyes. From this point, angle this up and in. Go to the right and do the same thing. Now let's flatten off the eyes on the bottom and the top. And I'll close off the side. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now we're going to work our way across the back of the head, coming in towards that detail. We're going to start up here, draw the same angled line, and we want to come about halfway to right about here. And layer that detail on top. So we're going to follow this angle coming forward. Let's add those steps. Going up, go back about halfway, go up toward the top, angle this back. We're just going to line up with this point down here and then come straight down. Let's draw the front edge. From this point, go all the way across. Do the same thing on each of these points. Draw that same length line. Now, let's flatten off the ends. And we want to connect these 2 points with this same angled line, going back. Let's finish off the top, going towards the back, and then flatten that off. Now let's draw the back side. We're going to draw that same angled line, going all the way across, and go in behind that detail. Now over on the right side of the head, we're going to tuck the wing in underneath. So let's start down here. Angle this down, go to the back, that same length line, and then we'll flatten that off. From these 2 points, angle this in across the bottom of the wing, close that off. Now from this point, pull this all the way up underneath the head. Now I want to tuck the body in underneath the head. Let's start right in the middle of this line, draw a straight line coming down. Follow this angle, going all the way across to right about there, and then pull that up underneath the head. Now from this point, follow the body, going all the way towards the back. I'm going to go past the edge of the head, go all the way up. Now let's angle this down and then in. Now I want to draw the back wing. I'm going to start right here, angle this down, pull this in behind the body, and we'll draw that front edge. Coming across, and then up underneath. Now we tuck the feet in underneath the body. Let's start right here, we're going to step over, draw a straight line coming down, go across towards the back, and then pull that up. Now from this point, come across, and then pull that up underneath. Let's draw the bottom foot over on the left side. We step in, coming down, come across and in towards the middle, pull that up, and then tuck this in underneath the body. Let's go back up to the top corner. Just going to angle this in behind the head. Now let's go back up to the top and draw in the zombie. We want to start with the edge of the hat first. Starting from the top left, this across, and then up. Let's draw the top of the hat. We're going to step in, and this up, and then in, and we'll curve the top of the hat. Let's wrap the hat brim in behind, coming up and then in towards the side. From the outside, bend the hat, coming down and in. Now follow that same curve across the bottom and then up towards the right. Now the head's going to get tucked in underneath the hat. Let's start over on the left. Draw a straight line coming down in behind the chicken. Go all the way over towards the right. Come down to right about there. Round up the head and then pull that in. Let's move over toward the left side. We're going to draw two ovals for the eyes. One on the left and fill that in black. Move over, draw on the right eye. Step down, we're going to draw the mouth as an oval going around and then in behind. Now I'm going to simplify the body with some blocks. Let's start from the side of the head, and this down and back. I'm just going to slope this down in behind. Let's go back up to the top. Come down and back toward the hip, and then come down and then in. Now I'm going to tuck the lower torso in behind, so we're going to step in, and we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw the chicken zombie from Roblox Grow a Garden. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.